for this activity, I want you to go to the supply shelf and I want you to find those little bitty clocks. They should be in one of the baskets. You just need one of them and bring it back to your seat. Because whatever I do on my clock, I want you to do on your clock. So do that now and come back to me. Okay, friends, we are going to talk about adding time onto a clock. And when we say adding time, we use the phrase after in the time world. Like, let's say 25 minutes after lunch, right? That means we are adding time onto lunch. Whatever lunchtime is, it'd be whatever time we're adding onto that. So in front of us, we have 35 minutes after 6:20. So what we need to do is we need to set our clocks to 6:20. I want you to do that now with your clock. I will do it with mine. So my clock says 6:20. My minute hand is in the 6 zone, and my hour hand is in the 6 zone, and my minute hand is on the floor 4 because that represents 5, 10, 15, 20. So we're at 6:20, and I want us to represent 35 minutes after. What time would it be if it was after 6:20? Well, that means we are going to keep going with our clock, and then we are going to find the new time. Now I'm going to do something different though. I'm going to keep my clock still, like the hands, the minute hand and the hour hand, it will stay still. But I want you to move yours. I will use something else to show how our time is moving forward. Okay? So let me get out, see here in front of me, you will see around the clock a color. See, it's a nice pretty pink color. This color will represent the amount of time we are adding on to 6:20. So let's start at 6:20 and let's just start adding 5-minute increments until we have added 35 minutes. And you are moving your minute hand on your clock along with me. So 5 minutes, there's 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and 35 minutes. So this is where your minute hand should have landed. Let me get another clock up here that represents the new time. Just a moment. So did we go into the new hour at all? Did we? Excuse me just a moment. There. Sorry about that. Did we go into the new hour? No. When we went forward 35 minutes, we did not go past 6 o'clock into 7 o'clock. So I know that my new time is still in the 6 zone. And where is my minute hand going to land? Where is yours on your clock? It is at 55 minutes after. So we went from 6:20 and we added 35 minutes. We went 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes, and we landed at 6:55. Very good, very good. Let's do one together. Let me pause my video. I'll get another one up. All right, we've got another one. This one says 15 minutes after 4:40. So we are going to start at 4:40. Please make your clock say 4:40, just like mine has. The hour hand is in between the 4 and the 5, and the minute hand is at the 8, and that represents 40 minutes after 4 o'clock. So now we are going to move forward in time. How many minutes? 15 minutes. And let me get my little pink line here that I'm going to use to move forward 15 minutes. Ready? You're going to move the minute hand on your clock while I draw the pink line. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. That's where our minute hand should land. We did not go into the new hour at all, did we? We did not go anywhere near 5 o'clock. So I have a smaller clock here that will represent our new time. This is what it should say on your clock. You should have 4:55 on your clock. Very good. All right, let's get another one up. All right, this next one, 25 minutes after 2:05. So our clocks are set at 2:05. Now, instead of drawing the pink line, I feel like we can go to the next step, and I will move my clock alongside with you. So we're going to move how many minutes forward? 25 minutes. So let's go forward 25 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That is our new time. The new time is 2:30. 25 minutes after 2:05 is 2:30. Let's do one more together. This last one is 45 minutes after 3:25. Now I'm not going to count it with you. I want you to do it on yourself. I want you to pause the video, but first make sure your clock is at 3:25. I have it in front of us. And then I want you to move the minute hand around until you have gone 45 minutes. Okay? Pause the video and do that. All right. So if you are showing me 45 minutes after 3:25, this is what you should have shown me. Let's count it out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now I did something really special there. Right around the noon mark, I went to the new hour. So my new time is now 4:10. Because once that minute hand went over to the next hour, it's the next hour. I have to remember that and readjust the hour hand. So I hope that your clock landed on 4:10. All right, thank you, my friends, for adding time with me on a clock. Make sure you put your clock back on the shelf and go on to the next step.